Welcome back guys, and in this video what I am going to tell you, first I will show you. Means suppose you are using PhonePe account and you are opening it will ask either your fingerprint or a pattern lock which only you know. Means this will make your PhonePe account more safer than before, because without your interference it will be not function. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel after you watch this and like this. So what you need to do at that time, go to the setting and then scroll below, go to the apps. If you are turning this app lock first time, it will ask to turn on this pattern mode. You have to set the pattern mode. I have already set it. Just open it and search here PhonePe. Now this should be turned on like that. What will happen when you will turn on, when you will try to open it, it will ask for either fingerprint lock or pattern lock. So this is all what will make your PhonePe account more safer than before, and this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like this, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.